Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In our previous video, we were able to discuss the introduction to Earth's mineral. We were able to know that minerals are the building blocks of rocks. Also, we were able to discuss some of the minerals that we use in our daily life. Those are the diamond, fluorite, talc, and the gypsum. We understand that in order for a substance to be a mineral, it should meet the 5 criteria that makes a mineral. The first one is that the substance must be solid under the normal condition on Earth. So, hindi pwede dito ang liquid at gas. We also understand that the substance must be naturally occurring on Earth. It should not be man-made. The next one is that the substance must be inorganic. Hindi pwedeng nanggaling ang substance sa organic or living organism. The next one is that the substance must have a fixed chemical formula made of specific elements. So, hindi pwedeng madagdagan or mabawasan ang element ng isang mineral. Katulad halimbawa ng diamond. The diamond is made up of pure carbon. Hindi siya pwedeng madagdagan ng ibang elements. The next one is that the atoms that make up the substance must be arranged in an orderly structure. That is the reason why the minerals have their physical properties. Different physical properties such as color, streak, hardness, cleavage, fracture, crystalline structure, transparency, magnetism, tenacity, luster, odor, and specific gravities. All of these physical properties are concerned about the arrangement of their atoms. And in this video, we will explore all of the physical properties of a mineral. The first one is color. It is usually the property used to identify minerals easily. It is a result of the way minerals absorb light. However, this property may not be used in identifying translucent to transparent minerals due to the presence of trace amounts of other minerals in them. Therefore, color is considered the least reliable means of identifying minerals. The next one is the streak. It is the color of the mineral in powder form in case when the color of minerals appear different because of trace particles inside them. So scientists would pulverize them to get their true color. However, by pulverizing the minerals, it loses their integrity. The next property is the hardness. We are using the Mohs scale of hardness formulated by a German mineralogist named Friedrich Mohs in 1812. It uses a number scale of 1 to 10 being the softest and 10 as the hardest. He also uses minerals to identify their hardness. Like for example, the scale of 1 uses the talc mineral, while the scale of 10 uses the diamond mineral. That is why diamond is considered as the hardest mineral on Earth. The next one is cleavage and fracture. These are used to describe how minerals break into pieces. When a mineral breaks into pieces and creates a new phase with a smooth surface, we call it a cleavage. When a mineral breaks and does not create a smooth surface, we call it fracture. The next one is the crystalline structure or the crystal lattice. It tells how a mineral crystals are arranged. A hand lens is a necessary tool in checking for the crystalline structure. A crystal solid is said to form a regular repeating three-dimensional crystal lattice, while an amorphous solid forms aggregates that have no particular order or arrangement. The next one is transparency. It indicates the extent of light that can pass through the mineral. Hence, the degree of transparency may depend on the thickness of the mineral. So ito yung ginagamit natin para malaman kung gaano kalinaw or how light can travel inside the mineral. The next one is magnetism. From the word itself, it indicates the ability of a mineral to attract or repel other minerals. Tenacity is the level of resistance or reaction of minerals to stress, such as crushing, bending, breaking, or tearing. It can tell if a mineral is brittle, malleable, elastic, and etc. The next is luster. It refers to the reaction of a mineral to light. It determines how brilliant or dull the mineral is. We have different types of luster. We have the waxy, pearly, metallic, dull, glassy, resinous, and silky or fibrous. Odor is a distinct smell of a mineral that is usually released from a chemical reaction when subjected to water, heat, or friction. Sulfur, for example, smells like a lit match. The strength of this smell increases when the mineral is heated or stuck, giving off an odor similar to rotten eggs. The last one is the specific gravity. It is a measure of the density of a mineral. It determines how heavy the mineral is by comparing its weight to that of water. Specific gravity is used especially when two minerals have the same size or color. The specific gravity of each mineral can distinguish them apart. Those are the different physical properties of a mineral that were formed because of their atomic arrangement. In our next video, we will discuss about the chemical properties of minerals. So see you again next video. Thank you for listening and have a good day.